Hey, welcome to Edukov. This is Farhan, and today our topic is attack surface and attack vector. I know this is a very simple topic, but we should know very simple things as well. This is some kind of like foundational topics as well. So let's start. Okay. So here is the definition of attack surface, and it says attack surface is the total number of possibility entries points an attacker can use to get into a system. In simple words, we can say attack systems or areas where an attacker can attack is attack surface. Yeah, this sounds very simple as well. Yeah, it is simple as well, and it is just that as well. Okay. We can say if a hacker or some kind of person wanted to get into a building or a server, you can say a server. So what they will do, they will find open ports. They will see if there is any kind of like a weak account, is there is like misconfiguration or compromisation of any kind of account. They will just see it. They will try to log in with a random password and random usernames. You know, if the systems, if the operating system or any kind of server is not passed, they are not on the latest update. They will find some kind of like vulnerabilities from past servers, updates. So yeah, they will just can exploit it. And this server is an attack surface. Yeah, its areas, its port, and these kind of things. You know, like it's listed here: open ports, user account, misconfiguration, unpassed systems. They're basically attack surface. It's the old area where an attacker can get into a system by attacking. Which their target is to just destroy or like get credentials or get their money, something like that, whatever their purpose is. But yeah, overall attack surface is that. I hope you understand that. It's not that much very complicated. So we will just take an example from a random home example. Yeah, home example are one of the best in to like understand these kind of topics. So it says think of it as all the doors, windows, and weak spots. It's a point to be noted here. There is a home, and there are given things like doors and windows, weak spots as well. There is a backyard. Someone can get into the backyard and come into the house. So weak things and open doors, they are some of the dangerous areas from where people can come into your house and get your things, stole them. So they are attack surface where the possibilities are there, possibilities of an attack from those areas to an area. Yeah, it's simple. Okay, so let's go with attack vector now. So it says attack vector is a method or path used by an attacker to exploit a vulnerability. Now, here is a point. What kind of method they use, what kind of method the hacker actually used to get into that attack surface and exploit it, exploit the system. There could be there are methodologies of a hacker, just like in social engineering. What they do, they will just send a mail to an employee, or maybe pretending to be as an employee or someone who knows someone, and they will just send a mail to the employee in their company's account or their personal account. And when employee, they will try to manipulate them. They will try to act, yeah, I'm that person, or I'm that, I need that, or I need the details of that account, something like that. And if the employee is not that much trained, if they don't know, and yeah, if there are cases our employee is well trained, but still they get into a phishing attack. It is possible as well, because hackers are they are upgrading as well. Their mentality is getting crucial, and like coming of AI, AI know how we think, and AI do know that. So hacker use AI to do phishing emails and phishing attacks. So after that, what we'll do when the employee clicked on the links, they will just download any kind of thing. Maybe They get into a backdoor, they download a backdoor, and they come into the system and exploit it. So overall, what is the the method? What is the method? That is the attack vector. Social engineering, phishing email. There could be SQL attack as well. There could be cross attack as well. Social engineering, we have told you that, and zero-day vulnerability as well. We don't know about the vulnerability. Yeah, okay. There could be several things. So in simple words, yeah, we have explained attack vector is a method or path used by an attack to do an exploit, to exploit a vulnerability. Okay. How the attacker gets in. Yeah, simple, very simple example. Okay. So here is a home example. What could be the attack vector in the home? The attack vector will be the thinking of a thief. Their way of achieving their purpose, which is stealing the things from the house. That is attack vector. And attack surface are the windows, the open doors, this garage door, or maybe the backyard. They are attack surface. Simple in digital world as well. What they do in hackers there, they might go to a website. Okay, they will try to see if some ports are open or not. If some ports are open and they can exploit it, they will try to exploit it. They will use things like Nmap and lots of other tools as well. And yeah, they will do it and try to exploit the attack surface, try to achieve their goals. So yeah, we have done with an example. So there is a thing, how to reduce attack surface. This is very important, how to reduce it. Because attack surface, it's very crucial. Whatever the things, whatever the machinery, whatever servers, they are important for us. And one of the best way is to actually patch them. Patch them with the latest updates and all that kind of things. And there are some points as well. Close unused ports, remove unnecessary accounts. If there is unnecessary accounts, which like an employee who is basically he left the company and still the account is active, they can log in or log out. So this is not a good thing. One should immediately remove their access of the accounts, of the company accounts, and yeah, it is a good thing to practice that. And usually, good companies do that, and companies who are very startup, they usually don't do that, and this is not good. This is absolutely not good. One should do that absolutely. Patch system regularly. We have talked about that. Patch means update the system with the latest. If the system is not update, every system have vulnerabilities, and it took time to search these vulnerabilities. And on internet, yeah, there are websites which shows post vulnerabilities in a system, in Windows, and in lots of things. So there could be a vulnerability in that system, and that can be exploited by a hacker. So we should update regularly. We should patch system with the latest patches. Disable unused services. This is also very important. We can take an example from that Android. If there is an Android, system, or maybe an Apple system. So basically, what just happened that there are so many apps which is not used, but they take storage as well. They have access to many of your things. That can be exploited by hackers as well. What if they get they're able to exploit the apps and they find any kind of vulnerabilities into them, and they just get into it and they can store your data. So it is very important to disable unused services. Okay. Apply least privileges. Least privileges, we have discussed that. It is one should have only that much amount of access which they should have. That's it. Not more than that, and this is very important. Okay, segment network. Segment is distribution virtually distributions of network, like yeah, small to small, different, and email have different, they have different, just that distribution of it, and use multi-factor authentication everywhere. Multi-factor authentication is one of the best things to do, and currently every program, every sites today do MFA, websites, or in apps, they do MFA, and this is very important for protecting your PII, and especially your SPII. So we should always apply multi-factor authentication, which includes your biometrics, which includes your like passwords, your basically what you have, what you can give, or what you are. The thing is that. So with that, okay, thank you. I hope you like the video. Yeah. Okay. Bye.